Hey everybody, Jason at FireplaceBlowersOnline.com. Have another kit I wanted to just do a quick overview of. This is our Kingsman F35FK. New part number is F4000FK. This is going to fit a handful of the FV and FDV series fireplaces from Kingsman. So make sure to check your owner's manual for compatibility or call us if you get any questions. But really nice ball bearing blower assembly, mounting bracket, speed controller, some hardware included with some zip ties. Pretty easy kit to put in, so this is definitely within your ability to do yourself. Professional installation on these guys is not always required. And so if you've got any questions, give us a call back, 262-989-4882, or you can contact us via email at support@fireplaceblowersonline.com. Thanks a lot.